So, I picked up some new padlocks today. The first one, ABUS security code 3. It's T84MB 30 millimeters. Looks like this. Yeah. The other one is a cheaper one. It's a CoCraft. Looks like this. Security rating 5 there. Looks like this. Yeah. The other one is a CoCraft as well. Security code 4. Looks like this. So those are pretty much the same thing, but this one is smaller. I thought I'd just pick them up and see what it's all about. I'm most excited about this one though. This one was about 18 bucks. 10 bucks. 8 bucks. Padlocks are not cheap, so, and these are my locks that I got since before. This is the one I'm working with. I will continue working with it until I get it open and I know what I'm doing. It's the 713/40. I picked this open about 6 times now. I've been working with it for 4 hours. I will continue working with this until I get it open and I know exactly how I did get it open. So I will get back later when I unbox this one and show you a little bit more about it. This is just a little update. I have not tried these ones yet. Well, I tried them, but I didn't really get them open yet, so nothing is impossible for me. It's just a matter of time, and I think it's most about the technique to learn to, learn what you're doing. So I'll stick with my ABUS 713/40 and then I will move on. Bye.